best seat.
So, why? Well, I'm going to have little red marks on my back. I know this. This is pretty good. As long as you don't wiggle around too much, it's fine. Okay, now.
Just don't move.
Just don't move too much. Okay, so grab me one of the desks. Here, just grab a desk. Desk work just as good. Awesome, get up for a minute.
What
Give
if
me
I
that
stood
desk.
on you?
I'm going to need you guys standing right here, one on each side.
Damn.
Go the desk over.
Ew, gum.
Okay? Now, there's the reason why there's two people on the side. Come on, Osterman.
Ostrin.
Good job. You're going to stand on the desk.
Whoa.
You're going to drive those nails right through my back. Help her up. Help her onto the desk. Ah! I'm fine.
Is everybody good?
Got a picture? Everybody got your picture?
Yep.
Okay, help her off.
Sorry, Jesse.
So,
My turn.
now, I survived. Look, no blood yet.
No.
See, no blood yet. No blood. Okay. What's that? Yeah, go ahead.
We have to get it
Oh, they're nice and sharp. You can see them all laid down.
Yeah.
You gotta do like the crab crawl onto it.
You sit on it, it's gonna hurt your butt. Actually, sit on it.
I did that earlier this morning.
You should do it. It feels great.
It's not bad at all.
It's,
So-
it's therapeutic, actually.
Now, why does this work nicely?
Because it supports. The pressure is.
Are we done? We're done.
Remember, when you're laying there on the surface of it, and all these nails are about an inch apart on all the way. So I'm laying on not one nail, I'm laying on like 50 of them, easy, when they're all laying on my back. Okay? So,
That's great.
pressure over an area.
Well, this wasn't important.
Now, if I decrease the number of nails, it would hurt a lot more. If there was just one of them there, yeah, that would really hurt, and it would probably drive it in there. Now, why, when Jennifer stood on top of the desk on my chest, why didn't that faze me?
I know.
Her weight was spread over the desk.
Her weight was spread over the desk, which was also spread over me. So, it's the same thing as if I did this. Okay? Same basic idea.
Now what is he getting out of the closet?
Same basic like this, right? Okay, now, if I took my hand and hit it like this, you'd all look at me really funky looking. But what if I did this and hit? What's going to happen? Obviously, no bloody paste, barely any spot. Now, why?
Spread over the block.
The force of this is spread out over the whole distance of the block. So obviously the force of that one hit is not going to do as much damage as if I did this. Okay? Because now we've got about an inch area versus 20 or more. So we just divided all the force by that number. Same thing here. Okay? So, that's the idea with the high heels too. Why, you want to take a picture of me hitting myself in the
No, I'm taking a video.
Okay, so now that's pressure and area all wrapped up. Okay? So why did the water stay in the flask when I held it upside down? The pressures are equal. The pressure inside the
Bless you,
flask
Jesse.
was equal to the pressure outside the plastic, trying to push up on the card. The card was held there very nicely. Very simple magic trick that they do all the time. They use a clear plastic disc.
Don't tell them this. Why are you telling them this?
What they do, because I'm the magic breaker there, right?
I'm a
It's a
magician.
clear plastic disc. What they do is, when they're with their hand, they say there's only liquid. They'll pour the liquid in there, and with their hand they'll rub it over the top like this. Well, the disc is on their palm, and they'll lay it on top of the disc. The disc right on top of the plastic. And when they flip it over, the disc is sitting on top, clear. It looks like the water is being suspended in it. And then they take a nice sharp needle
Or toothpick.
or toothpick and put it up through the plastic. It'll work just fine. You can pop up a whole bunch of them in there. You do plastic wrap. Plastic wrap, you can push the toothpicks up inside there and they'll float up to the top of the water in the top as you keep putting them through the bottom. When you put too many of them, obviously, then the pressure will equalize and down it comes. But, yeah, that's it. He's our resident magician here.
I
So,
do magic tricks. That's very adoring. He knows how to do just about anything. You can't toss anything.
Ooh, what are they watching over there?
okay, so, anybody else want to try the bed of nails while it's there?
What are they watching over there?
It's his last day, so who knows?
Oh,
It's his last.
Probably cuttlebones or scuttlefish or squid.
scuttlefish.
We should all go in there and say goodbye.
Cuttlefish. I thought you.
Can I do that again? What's the,
We should
so
go.
stand
We
on
should
me?
open the
You wanna
door
try
and
that?
say
It's a
goodbye
want
to
to?
the disturber
Awesome.
next door.
You get to pick who you want.
I don't care.
Okay.
Can I jump on you?
Did you really just ask that, Ivana? Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Kitty.
Okay.
Ready?
Now you're just gonna need one person on the other side. Go ahead. I'll stand on the other side.
Oh, okay.
It's just hard to breathe. That's all.
It's not hard to breathe. Scuba, remember?
All right, now
Get on his back.
go. Now, what they'll do in some magic
This
tricks,
is fun.
and I've seen it happen before.
Oh, it's so funny.
What they'll do is, somebody will lay on the bed of nails, and they'll take a concrete block and put it on their chest. And then somebody will come up with a sledgehammer, break the block right on their chest while they're laying on the bed of nails.
I've seen that one.
And
Let's do it.
all beautiful. All works fine. Anybody else want to try it while I have it out?
No.
No? Okay.
So Mr.
Goodbye.
Stone's already destroying magic for everyone. Just
Say
to let
bye,
you know,
Ivana.
Magic isn't real.
Yeah.